Hola gang, and welcome again to Old Nerd Reviews. I'm Tony, your old nerd of the day, and I do try things so you don't have to. We are going to be in the Old Nerd kitchen today. I want to show you how to make a really yummy ramen dish. I eat this all the time now, and I'm not a cook, I'm not a chef, I don't do anything in the kitchen unless I'm air frying. I love to air fry, but other than that, I really don't like doing things in the kitchen. But this ramen dish, it's quick, it's easy, it's delicious, and it's best of all cheap. All that being said, I think you're really going to like this. So let me show you how to make it.
Yeah!
Okay, so here's what's going to go in it. We've got ramen, a package of ramen. You can use whatever kind of ramen you want to. I've got the roast beef flavor. Doesn't really matter. You, my friends, are the shaman of your ramen. This is the meat I'm using, a smoked sausage. You can use whatever kind. Once again, I have it cut up right there. Use however much you want. Got a regular egg, piece of processed American cheese, nothing but second best for the Thomas family. And finally, some cut up green onion. Don't be hating on my chopping skills. Add a cup of boiling water. If you like yours a little bit more saucy, you can add 1/4 of a cup more. Take the ramen and just put it right in the bowl there. And kind of swish it around. Wish I had chopsticks. That would make it a little bit easier, but I'm an American. I got a fork. Turn it over a few times. Get it all nice and soft. If you want to, you can cut it down the middle. Cut it in halves, quarters, whatever. Add my meat into the bowl, just around the outsides. And I'm gonna only add half the seasoning pouch. That way it's not too strong, but I mean, that's totally up to you. Whatever you want to do. All right, then I put cellophane over there. So I'll just put that around the bowl like that. Stick that in the microwave for 1 minute. After the 1 minute is up, I'm going to take this, I'm going to peel it back. I'm going to take the egg, drop it right in the middle there. Just like that. Just going to pierce the membrane just a little bit so it doesn't blow up. I'm going to cover it back up, and then I'm going to put some holes in the plastic. And then I will put this back in the microwave for 2 minutes. If you like your egg a little bit more done, you can add a little bit more time to it. I like it so the yolk is just going to burst as soon as I pull it back. It's done! Okay, you're going to pull that plastic off. Be very, very careful because it's very hot. It's going to be very hot. All right, check that egg out. See that egg right there? How well cooked it is, but you can see the yolk in the middle. That thing's going to burst. Okay, you want to take your cheese, once again, whatever kind of cheese you want, and you put half right there, you put half right there, and that'll melt. See it melting all over there. And I'll take my green onion, and I'll just kind of put, I love onion, so I'm going to add a generous amount. You can see the cheese all melting, and I'll pull back that yolk. See, look at that yolk. There you go. Lovely. Looks so good. And then what you do is you mix it all up. I had it all pretty, and now I'm going to make it all messy. If you want to, you can stick that in the nuker for a few more seconds just to make that cheese melt a little more. But once it hits the heat, it should do just fine. And there you go. It is creamy, it is cheesy, it is eggy, it is salty, and the melted cheese in there with the yolk from the egg creates a very nice creamy sauce. And there is a lot of it. Get some sausage on there, get a little bit of egg, a little bit of onion. That is so good. That green onion adds a nice little extra pop of flavor. Just got all those players in there, all those elements just make a really, really good lunch or dinner or heck, even breakfast. Go for it. Live large and in charge. I think you're really going to like this. It's just cheap and easy and fast, maybe 10 minutes from start to finish, and absolutely delicious. There you go, gang, another recipe in the bag. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. And follow me on my social networks, on my website. All those links are down below in the description. And if you do all that, you too can become a part of the coffee swilling old nerd crony community. All right, you guys have a freaking awesome day, and I'll talk to you again. Bye now.